welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be having a Valentine's Day giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in so long on my channel since my 10K giveaway, which was thousands of subscribers back. Yeah, so I decided to do a Valentine's Day giveaway with ebonyline.com. That is who I am collaborating with today. Right into this giveaway because I know you guys want to know about that first, and then we can do the hair later. So you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, of course, and you have to follow me on Instagram. You have to leave a comment under Ebony Line's post on Instagram saying Ebony Line giveaway, and you have to tag me. So you're going to put Ebony Line's giveaway and you're going to tag me on Instagram to win. You have to leave a comment under this video. I want you to comment, let's see, I want you to let me know. Okay, so because this is going to be like a Valentine's Day giveaway, I want you to let me know your favorite restaurant to go eat. I don't know, let's just say that. So right now, I don't care where you're from, anywhere, think of a restaurant. You may be too young to go to, no one's too young to go to a restaurant. Let me know below, what is your favorite date night restaurant to go to? Any restaurant, it could be wherever you live at. Let me know below. So you have to comment your favorite restaurant that you like to go eat at on a date night, like a Valentine's Day date night type of thing. So you're going to be able to pick 3 to 5 wigs just in case one choice is not available. So yeah, yeah, so that is the rules for the giveaway. If anything's confusing, because it's a little confusing to me, everything will be neatly in my description box. Just go read it. Make sure you participate because I want you guys to win a wig for Valentine's Day. Even if you don't have a Valentine, even if you're not going anywhere, still, you know, it's good to just dress up, put your makeup on, and feel fabulous. Today I'm collaborating with ebonyline.com on this wig, and today's wig I am wearing Sister Wig. SIS, Sister Wig, Sassy Lively Spirit, and that's the name of the wig, Sassy Live Spirit. And I have in the Sassy-H Trudy, and the color is SOMRTTOMATO. Yeah, so this is the tomato color, and it is like a tomato color, which is what I love about it. It's not red, but it's not orange, it's just like tomato. Okay, so yeah, on the packaging it says that it's hand tied, Remy fiber, and the heat you can go up to 100, you can go up to 400 degrees. Okay guys, so if you would like to purchase the ZURY SIS Sassy Lively Spirit Wig Sassy-H Trudy, she is $27.13. Yes, so she is only $27, y'all. I feel like that's amazing. $27 and you can be fabulous and just be fabulous on Valentine's Day. Not bad. I think she's worth it for 27 bucks. It's really cute wig. It's fun. It'll definitely turn heads. Why not? I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get right into how I styled this hair. So this is not a lace front wig. It has no lace around the wig at all. There's no clips in the front at all. There's one clip in the middle right here, and that's for the girls that don't want to wear wig caps and have short hair. For me, I feel like the clip in the middle are for girls that have short hair, because you can easily just push it in your hair if you don't want to wear wig cap. I don't have to wear wig cap because my hair is short, and I'll reveal my hair later on once I dye it and get it all together, because it's a TWA right now. It has a clip in the back, which is good, and it has 2 straps in the back that I'm going to actually strap up because I have short hair. Wigs tend to fall off of me, especially wigs with no lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and just strap that right there. So the wig itself, it's very, very curly. A little bit too curly for me. Some people really like big hair. I'm not a fan of big hair. You guys know that. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking at myself to see how it looks on my head. Actually, I'll just look down in my mirror so it doesn't seem like I'm not looking at you. But yeah, I love big hair. I'm not scared of it. I feel like it gives me like, whoa, it's so big. Comfortable with big hair. I'm just not, so I'm just going to thin around a little bit. Now my wigs, guys, what I do is I'll take some from the back. And another thing about thinning out wigs, it's not only to take out like thick hair, it's also to prevent tangling for me in synthetic wigs, because I feel like around this area is where the wig tangles and like the ends. So I kind of like if it makes sense, I kind of like cut out the tangles. So because it's going to be so short back here, it won't be tangling on your neck. That's one thing that I've been wearing synthetic wigs for 7 years, so I have a lot of experience with these wigs. And my experience when I used to wear them and go out, because if you're new to my channel, subscribe, let's just say that. Long story short, I don't really want to talk your ear off, but I guess this is like a chit chat just to talk through. But long story short, when I first started wearing wigs, you know, and I was working every day and going to school, I was in college and I was working every day, and you know, I wore my synthetic wigs and they would be so tangly around this area right here, like when I would go to work and stuff, and I would have to keep brushing it and brushing it, go to the bathroom, brushing it and brushing it. So I found that, you know, thinning out the wig in the back area kind of, you know, you get to prevent that. So I'm just gonna thin out a little bit in the back. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna do this side. I'm just gonna take a little bit like from right here, 1 2 3. I always just go 1 2 3, and then I just pull. It has like combs, so you can like pull it out. So 1 2 3, and then I pull out really fast, really quick, really easy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finger comb it. One thing I don't like about wigs, curly wigs, when it comes out the box, you know, it's very manufactured, very hard, very like machine made, because it is clearly made by a machine. So it comes out like that neat, perfect curl. I just want to kind of like, you know, kind of finger comb it. Don't take a brush, because if you take a brush, it'll be hard and you'll actually be like taking out the pretty curls, and you don't want to do that because this is kind of like a big curly look. So you just want to kind of just finger comb it a little bit like that. I like the fact that it's layered. It's like shorter right here and it's longer right here, which is good because you never want the wig to be one length, like just little things. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to just kind of like cut some of the bang. It's a little bit long for me and it's getting in my eyes and it's just uncomfortable, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit because it's too long for me. You don't need to be an expert in cutting. You're literally just cutting it from your eye. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take some of this hair right here. As you can see, because it's not a lace wig, you can kind of see a little bit of the tracks right here, but don't worry about that, people. I'm going to take some on this side and a little bit in the middle. Take it like that. And I'm not using a brush or anything like that. You want to be really delicate because the wig will slide off your head, because like I said, people, this is not a lace wig. So just going to take it like that. I'm going to take a scrunchie. I'm going to call it correctly today. I usually say a ponytail. I'm going to take a scrunchie. And yeah, I'm just going to tie this up. Doesn't have to be too neat because I'm not really going for like a neat look, but we'll see. Because I always say I'm not going for a neat look and it ends up neat anyway. Okay. So to take a piece of hair, as I always do, and wrap it around this pony because that's the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to wrap it around. And I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. Alright, so for the sides, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my double-sided edge control brush and I'm just going to take some hair right here. Just this little piece of hair right here. And I'm going to make sure you can see my ear like that. I'm also going to take some hairs down here. What is this called again? I forgot. Oh, razor comb. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't eat yet. So I'm going to take my razor comb. It's a little bit, I need a new one, so it's kind of like struggly. Okay. Take all of that out. And we're actually going to do this a little bit shorter. It's a little bit too long. Okay, that. Okay, just gonna give this a little bit a brush on the side. want to make sure all the hair is behind your ears. So I'm just giving myself a little like sideburn so it doesn't look completely bald on this side. You're not going to really see the edges too much because you have a full bang in front of your head. Use one of my headbands that I got from Zara's. It's like a colorful, I don't know if you guys can see it. It has like different colors in it, orange, yellow. I used it in one of my other videos and I kind of used it to tie it like right here. I used it to tie down the edges. I didn't really think I was going to like wear it in the hair, but now that I'm looking at it, it's actually really cute. It's actually a look, I feel like, with the headband. I mean, without the headband, it's cute too. But with the headband, it's just definitely giving me something. So I think I might just leave the headband for this look. And we are finished. Just going to tighten up that top knot right there. And kind of just play with it a little bit. Just gonna kind of finger comb it. Just gonna take my comb. I like the fact that the bangs are not like flat. They're kind of like bumped a little bit, which is good because the hair is already like full volume, and then, you know, the bangs. So now, last but not least, I'm going to take some holding spray, the Got To Be Free spray, and I'm running out. I'm just going to spray the hair a little bit just so it can kind of stay in place. But, yeah, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think I did a great job at styling her. She just feels so soft and she just looks so fab. Definitely suggest wearing a black top if you do recreate this look. I'm gonna try to link down this headband below. If they still have it, I don't know. If not, I'm gonna link down an alternative because I know there's lots of websites that sells like little cute colorful bandanas that look like this that are silk. So I will link down the Zara one or something similar to the Zara one. But let me just show you guys the back. This is how the back looks. This is how it looks from the side. And as you can see, the little sideburn right here just gives it more of like a realistic look. It doesn't look bald. So of course it's not going to look extra perfect, but just adding a little bit of side does a lot to the look. It kind of gives it that, okay, it looks a little bit more natural. It doesn't look so wiggy. So definitely add some sides because you don't want it to look too wiggy. But you can just kind of pull the bandana down so you don't see too much of that bald spot right there. And just put a little bit of the sides out, and you're pretty much good to go. Look, I wanted to try, in case you guys don't really like hair on your neck, you can also just put the hair up like this. I would just kind of take the back and kind of like twist it. Just do like a little twist. It's hard to explain, but I'll just do like a little twist. And I'll just take like, because I don't have any bobby pins, you want to use a bobby pin for this because a bobby pin will be ideal. Or you can use, I'm just going to use these really big clips right here just because I don't have any bobby pins. Take a few like little hairs from the back and just kind of like take them out a little bit so it doesn't look so perfect. Little like a messy look kind of thing going on. So now we have like a cute curly updo look. And let me show you how the back looks because I know y'all want to see the back. You guys could probably see the clips. That's because I don't have any pins. But if I did have pins, you guys wouldn't be able to see anything. Cute look. Add some really big hoop earrings or just some nice cute studs. But I think hoop earrings will kind of make it stand out a little bit more. And you're good to go. But yeah, that's how it came out. I think it's super, super pretty. Add some shades. Definitely a look again. Yeah. You decided to wear this for Valentine's Day, let me know below. Hopefully this just gives you hella lot. Hopefully this just gives you one of, you know, an idea to how to rock your hair for Valentine's Day. It's affordable, it's fun, and I would definitely wear this. I don't have a Valentine. I don't know if I'm gonna have one by Valentine's Day, but I know right now I don't have one. So yeah, but I may be wearing this soon. I just love it. I just feel like all eyes on you when you hit the room with this wig. It's just so, so pretty. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Check out ebonyline.com for your wig. I will have this wig linked below. I will have the headband linked below. Everything will be linked below. Follow me on Snapchat, Miss Chrissy J, Instagram, Miss Chrissy J, Twitter, Miss Chrissy J, Facebook at I am Chrissy J. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying. So tell me who's